everyone from the Hawkins Hollow shelter where we stayed last night. It's about 10 after 7 right now. We're getting ready to leave. Today we head into Georgia.
Cave Springs, Georgia.
Which means we will be heading into Eastern time, which means it's actually 10 after 8 right now.
Yeah.
So bit of a later start.
Daylight's daylight though, it ain't changing, it's just the time.
Anyways, we have some thank yous for this morning.
Yeah, so big thanks to Big Branch and Super Dog Adventures. Thank you for the super thanks.
Thank you both for supporting the channel. We appreciate you both very, very much.
We're gonna be, like I said, going into Cave Springs today, and we're gonna stay at the Hearn Inn.
It's a bed and breakfast that we learned about from Far Out.
Yeah. We have 15.7 miles today, 2,018 feet of ascent, and 2,033.6 2,336 feet of descent. Less than yesterday.
Which is good.
More descent than ascent, so all good.
Yeah. It'll be fun to go to town and shower and do all that stuff. We got to resupply. Got some big days coming up, so
big days.
Gonna relax as much as we can today. So not got anything else. I don't think Trip's gonna have anything. So let's go.
You spying on me?
So the private property that we're on right now is like an ATV park. So we keep having to cross all these ATV roads, and they have really steep banks to get up. So I'm guessing that's why they want us to, they put those signs up saying stay on the trail, because they don't want you taking those roads, I guess, in case somebody on an ATV comes whipping around.
Yeah, they gotta maintain their speed.
Yeah. All right, we made it to the border. Woohoo!
Woo! Let's go.
Here it is.
Let's go after you, my lady.
I'm officially in Georgia. Come over. Woohoo! Welcome to Georgia. We made it.
Woo!
All right, we made it to Spring Creek Shelter. We're gonna take a break here for a couple minutes, have some snacks. They got a nice picnic table that looks very inviting for me to sit down on.
Somebody left a Game Boy.
What? A Game Boy?
Yeah.
It's very clean.
Alright, we just had to take our shoes off to cross this creek. We didn't want to get our shoes all wet right before going to the Hearn Inn. It'd be rude.
It'd be gross.
And gross. So, yeah, we got like 6.5 miles left. A little bit of climb coming up. And then some road walk the rest of the day. A nice easy walk into town.
Crossing Highway 100. We're gonna be walking on this tomorrow. We made it to Cave Spring Road, and we have about 2.5 miles left until our final destination. All right, we're at the Hearn Inn bed and breakfast. We're about to go
Smells
inside
nice.
and check it out.
Smells oldie.
It's from 1839, it says.
Reminds me of my grandma.
The city takes out of it to provide water for.
It's 5 o'clock. We are on our way to get some food and some resupply. We just talked to some of the caretakers at the Hearn Inn, and he was talking about the cave spring that's right across from it. It's closed right now, but it's super cool. It like pumps out 2 million gallons of water a day, and everybody from around here goes and fills up their jugs all the time. It's like rated one of the cleanest water sources. Yeah, super cool.
We just finished our dinner. Trip and I got the catfish. Very good. And now we're at the grocery store. We're doing our resupply. Kind of limited grocery store here. So we're probably gonna stop by the dollar store tomorrow when we pass by. Even though it's kind of a bigger day. Probably swing in there quick.
Yeah.
Grab a couple things that they don't have here. Like drink packets and cheese balls. The imported stuff, but here's what we got so far. It just looks like a bunch of junk food, but that's what we got.
Hey, there's an apple
And a pepper.
yeah.
We're doing 3 nights, right?
3 nights, 4 days.
3 nights, 4 days
Big
resupply.
days.
It's 10 o'clock. It is way past our bedtime, but we are getting ready to go to sleep. If you are hiking the Pinhoti Trail, Cave Spring is like a really cute little town, and definitely stay at this place. It is super cute. We're the only ones here right now, us and Trip. And yeah, it's like you have this whole house to yourself. You can do laundry. There's a full kitchen you can use. We went out to eat, but yeah, I like it a lot. It's super cute.
I think the town is super cool. Like it's like walking back in time from when like we were kids, you know, even mom and pop kind of grocery store deal.
Yeah.
The food today was the
really
dinner
good.
and super cheap. Like it was
It
like
was cheap.
it was like 80s, 90s prices.
It's nice. This is definitely one of my favorite trail towns, I would say.
Yeah.
Anyway, tomorrow we have road walking again, which is not ideal, but it's what we're gonna do. Yeah, we're gonna get up early, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Where are you going? You can't go back to Alabama.
It's all you